planet Jupiter knocked out an unknown planet after a space battle in the distant past, is what a scientific study claims. This is a commentary content with elements of creative writing. According to a publication in Knowable magazine in 2018, a scientist theorizes that in the distant past of our solar system, a ninth planet was kicked out by the planet Jupiter, leaving the other planets to survive. The scientific study of Dr. David Nesvorny, a planetary scientist at the Institute of Southern Africa Research in Boulder, USA, concluded that there was a ninth planet, or PlanetX, in our solar system that disappeared millions of years ago because it was probably kicked out by Jupiter, he said. This movement of Jupiter allowed other planets not to be hurled and flung into space wandering, including Earth. Nesvorny arrived at these hypotheses thanks to work accomplished with a group of scientists trying to understand how the solar system was born and why the planets were in their current positions. Using sophisticated mathematical models and computers, they were able to recreate the first hundreds of millions of years of our galaxy, determining that at that time the planets were closer together than they are today. Over the eons, the planets found themselves in their present positions. However, according to the model, Uranus and Neptune should have started beyond the edge of the galaxy due to Jupiter's large gravitational force. The model solved the mystery and suggested that an additional planet lay between the orbits of Saturn and Uranus. This planet was as large as Uranus and Neptune, that is, about 16 times larger than Earth. The hypothetical ninth planet received all of Jupiter's gravitational fury and ended up being kicked out of the solar system. According to Nesvorny, this planet was sacrificed. Perhaps it would be better to say punished, to save others, including Earth, because Jupiter struck it with all its might when it approached. Nesvorny ran several simulations just to see what would happen, not taking them too seriously, but then he realized that there might be some reality to this whole cosmic apocalyptic scenario. It was, in effect, a real space battle between planets caused by gravitational forces. The scientists ran about 10,000 simulations, changing the number of extra planets, their starting positions, and their masses in each one. The best scenario, which reproduces a solar system like the real one we have in our solar system, was with an extra planet, PlanetX, that existed between the original orbits of Saturn and Uranus. It was this planet that could, claiming that it could have been the beings who lived or still live on Jupiter who took care of the removal of the ninth planet, or PlanetX, an event described, at least in Greek mythology, with mythological terminologies and/or symbolic language. According to this parascientific version, the particular planet expelled by Jupiter could be none other than the infamous and mysterious Nibiru, the Nibiru of Zechariah Sitchin of the Sumerians, who will return fiercer to take the revenge according to beliefs. Of course, no science can accept such an assumption and similar claims. Moreover, Sitchin's work related to the Sumerians and his translation effort are strongly contested. At the moment, mainly scientific possibilities seem to be gaining ground, and Nesvorny's theory is valid. I've translated this for you from a Greek article. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support.
and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.